Okay, your basic margarita, we've got our base there. So you're going to put around 3 tablespoons of tomato. You can always add a bit if you need more to get to the edges of the pizza. So you want to make sure that you get nice to the sides. Okay, and then you're just going to sprinkle a little bit of your cheese, just so that the topping will bind to the base. And then we'll put more cheese on top. There's a very little bit on the bottom. And then, like I said, your bacon. Just making a popular pizza for the kids for now. As you know, I mean, obviously we've got our Bolton pizza and Baborti pizza at the Wine Down Wednesdays and at the pizzeria. But for today, we're just going to do this to make it easy. Okay, so there we have our bacon and banana pizza. A little bit of oregano on top, some black pepper. And now, same as the garlic pizza, in the oven for around 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, and we'll see how that comes out. And there you have it. Your bacon and banana pizza. Your kids are going to love it. Enjoy. Bon appetit. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks very much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you at our Wine Down Wednesdays tomorrow with Juan Casey. We've got a couple of hints now on how to make the pizzas to go along with the wine and the music. Enjoy. Cheers.